Hi there everybody, this is Asim and you are watching As You Onboard, and today I'm gonna do some unboxing video of my iLife digital stab itell K3400S HD Intel inside. So first of all I'm gonna remove this lamination and seal it off. So let's go. Now I'm gonna open it. Let's see what's inside it. Let me open it. Okay, so here it is. I have opened it, and here on the front is warranty card. It give 1 year limited warranty card. Creepy thing, huh? Okay, let's heal out the wonder. Here it is. So I'm gonna put off this one. Let's paste it there. Let's start it. Boom, www.ilife.us. I think it's taking some time. Here it is. Well, it's taking a little bit time. So here's the rear side. There's the camera and a paste mono Intel inside, speakers, and the model number made in China. Well, everything is from China nowadays. Well, the sides are very stylish and metallic, isn't it? Look, and here an headphone port and charging port too, and there on the other side there is a power button and volume up down button. So let's start it. Boom, it's screen rotated. Wow, so you have this thing, man. Okay, here it is. The best thing is, well, it already contains Facebook, Subwoofer, Skype, email, Gmail, YouTube, and many more. So here it is. The best thing is they are providing us a protector on the back side. I hope you guys can see, but yeah, here it is. Yep. So let's see what's included in accessories. I will open the accessories. So here it is. Whoa, these are the accessories. I think this is a charging adapter, and here it is an OTG. It is very impressive that they are giving an OTG cable with it to connect your USB with the tab. So here the headphones, I think. Well, the headphones are looking very cheap and creepy, and they are very weightless. I mean, they are worth and are useless, so drop them. And here the data cable. Well, it seems a very long one. I don't think so. Well, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked my video, and keep on subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, and watching. Yeah.